Hello everyone, and welcome to On Wednesday We Wear Pink, week 32. Okay, I chose this polish. It is Salon Perfect's Burst Your Bubblegum. This is one of their neon pop colors. Very pretty, very bright pink. And it applies like a typical neon. It's a bit sheer, dries pretty fast, so you gotta kind of apply it and just leave it and let it dry. The more you manipulate it, the more it causes bald spots and you have some patchiness in it. And for an accent nail here, I am using Wet n Wild's Whip Topping. Beautiful white, almost opaque in one coat, but yeah, I'm just gonna do two just to be on the safe side. Second coat of this just evens out the color nicely and really makes that bright pink pop. And a second coat of white just makes this polish more opaque and ready for some type of nail art. Not sure what I'm going to do just yet, but I know I'm going to do something. And for a top coat, I am using Hansen Insta-Dri. This is just what I'm using at this time until it is gone. I do like the top coat. It does leave the polish very, very shiny for, you know, the extent of my polish, however long I wear my manis, and they're usually like 2 to 3 days, not very long, so, but it does stay shiny. And with using this bright neon pink, I could not help but think of summer. And what is the best mani to do during summertime but a more neon gradient kind of sunset feel vibe? Yeah. So along with this Burst Your Bubblegum, I decided I wanted to use, it is China Glaze. This is the orange color, China Glaze Son of a Peach. And also the blue is, what is it, Pretty Serious polish, and it is Doodle. These polishes are just total perfect sunset. And I did do this sponging technique 3 times just until I got the opacity that I wanted. And I am noticing as I'm doing some sponging here that there is a piece of lint or something that got stuck on my nail, and I was able to get that off. Now I did pick up these on Amazon. It's just a wheel that has a bunch of different gold nail accents. There's all kinds of stuff, but I am going to be using the palm tree here. Now what I did notice about this palm tree is it is really flat. So when I first tried it on my nail just to see how it would work, it stuck up quite a bit on the edges. So I am taking my tweezers here and just kind of bending it just slightly so that it goes with the curve of my nail and none of it sticks up and can get in the way. It's still, you know, going to be that textured, but it's not pokey from the end sticking up. To apply the palm tree, I'm just using OPI's Infinite Shine top coat. It's not a fast drying, so it allows time to apply the palm tree and make sure it's in position that I'm happy with. Okay, now this palm tree can't just be out in the middle of nowhere all by itself, so I had to do a little island. So I'm using Essie's Ladylike and just a small dotting tool, and I just am creating a nice little island for this palm tree. I am sure I'm not alone. I know there are others out there who are ready for summertime, and this mani just gives me summer vibes. With spring break coming up, this is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave any comments and suggestions below, and I'll see you in the next one.